Terra Classic LUNC will make you rich. Yes, if you hold on to your Terra Classic coin, this is one of the coins. Terra Classic is one of the coins that have the possibility of making a lot of people rich. Okay, now I know that things have not been working well for Terra Classic. If some of the holders have really sold out all their Terra Classic coins, though even me personally, I actually sold out some of my Terra Classic holding, but I don't want to just sell out all my coin because I still have that feeling that something can be done, something can happen. Or if you feel that in the next few years, because what I did was to withdraw some of my money, but I left some coins which I believe I'll be leaving this coin for the period of 2 to 5 years, even 7 years to come. Yes, I'm ready to leave these coins, this by my Terra Classic LLC coins, till 2030. Okay, because I actually did the analysis of so many coins. I discovered that after many years of these coins, you will see these coins hitting, rising, and pumping, and no one knows the future of crypto industry. No one knows what will be happening next. Imagine Binance, BNB trading at $5,000. Imagine Ethereum trading at $20,000, and imagine Bitcoin trading at $200,000 to $300,000. Same goes to other crypto coins. Most coins will also be increasing in price. Crypto industry is just like a land. Yes, just like a land whereby in a particular area that they don't have value, and maybe an industry, a company comes into that area, development starts coming to that area, the land around there will start getting more value. Even the land that are even closer to those places that are not even around the environment but are closer will increase a little in value. That is what happened with crypto industry. When Bitcoin rises, then you see Ethereum, BNB, or the top 10 or top 20 crypto coins, you see them rising massively with BTC. Then other crypto coins, okay, even those the ones that are ranked among the top 200, top 300, you will see that effect of that increase. You see that effect of BTC rise. Okay, you see them rising also. So that is one important thing. Everything depends on the future of crypto industry. Everything depends on Bitcoin. And I'm very sure that Bitcoin right now is gaining a lot. And I believe so many crypto industry have come to say in the next few years to come, so many coins will rise. And that is why sometimes it's good to buy coins and leave them for a very long period of time. There are coins you can just buy, even though it's $10. You invest on these coins and leave them. Anything can happen in the next few years. Yes, even if it's $10, anything can happen. So for me, I still believe that the crypto industry is going to rise, and let's just keep on pushing. Let us keep on supporting the crypto industry. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.